Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Just briefly, I'll mention the economic importance of bacteria. How are bacteria important to human lives? So, the next, we shall look at the economic importance. The economic importance of bacteria or the economic importance of kingdom Monera. One, we know that bacteria cause diseases, and those diseases affect both humans, that is animals, and also affect even plants. So you can say that one, they cause plant and animal diseases. And we mentioned some diseases at the beginning when we mentioned diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and so on and so forth. Number two, bacteria also cause food decay, makes food to decay, thus causing spoilage. They make the food to spoil. You cannot store food for a very long time because that food will decay. That decay is attributed to bacteria. Number three, another importance of bacteria, we have some bacteria that are used for nitrogen fixation. So they are used for nitrogen fixation. Used for nitrogen fixation, a process that adds nutrients into the soil. So today we've learned the characteristics of kingdom Monera. We've seen that they lack membrane-bound organelles, such as mitochondria and chloroplasts. We've also seen that they have a few organelles. Their mode of reproduction is asexual. That means it doesn't use the gametes. For example, one of the modes of asexual reproduction that is used by bacteria is called binary fission. We shall look at binary fission in more details in other topics. Their mode of nutrition is either autotrophic or heterotrophic. And then finally, they move by flagella or pseudopodia. And I've explained those two terms. Then finally, we have also looked at the economic importance of bacteria, whereby we've said that they cause plant and animal diseases. We have diseases in animals such as cholera, typhoid in humans, and so on and so forth. They cause food decay, something that leads to spoilage of food. That's why food cannot be kept for a very long time because of the bacteria. And then finally, bacteria, they are used for nitrogen fixation so that nutrients can be added into the soil.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.